Welcome to the Nebraska State Fair. I am Teresa Anderson, the Health Director here at Central District Health Department. We serve Hall, Hamilton, and Marion counties. Whether you're a visitor to the fair or whether you're a resident of one of our counties and you're coming to the fair, we want you to enjoy it. We want you to have a safe and enjoyable experience. And so we have some ideas that might help you. We know that right now we're in the middle of an increased number of COVID cases. It's because of the Delta variant. The Delta variant is very transmissible, and so it's easily spread from person to person, and it also infects children, and that's important to know. So as you go to the fair, we want you to remember some safety tips so that you and your family can enjoy the fair and also have some really good memories from the fair. So one of the things we'd like you to remember is that masks are helpful. They're very helpful in protecting you from spreading the virus to others, but also protecting others from spreading the virus to you. If everyone wears a mask, we all stay safer, we all stay healthier. So masks are important. And when you go to the fair, you may not feel like wearing your mask outdoors, and that's okay. You don't need to wear a mask all the time, but we highly recommend that anytime you visit one of the indoor exhibits that you put your mask on and keep it on while you're in there. This helps to protect you and it helps to protect those around you. Masks do work. We have evidence now that they work. The second thing we want to talk about is vaccine. Vaccine is equally, if not more important than masking. And we know that we have all 3 vaccines here at Central District Health Department. If you somehow missed your opportunity to get a vaccine, we'd like you to stop by here and we'll give it to you anytime during business hours when you're in town. Some of you will be here for a day or two. Some of you will be here for the entire duration of the fair. And we want you to know that we're here for you. We also will be providing vaccinations on site at the fairgrounds in the first aid area. So if you want to come in there and get a shot, we welcome that. If you have questions about COVID or any other health-related issues, come on in, and if we don't know the answer, we'll find an answer for you. Our cdhd nurses will be out there staffing the COVID piece of the first aid area. So don't hesitate to drop in and see us there. If you have questions, you can also call us at CDHD here, 308-385-5175, Monday through Friday between 8 and 4:30, and we'll get your questions answered. And again, if we don't know the answer, we'll find it for you. So we've talked about masks and we've talked about vaccinations. There are a couple of other things we need to discuss. We know and have known forever that clean hands reduce the spread of infection. So wash your hands frequently when you're at the state fair. You will find at the entrance of each building there will be a sanitizer station, a hand sanitizer station, as well as the opportunity to grab a disposable mask. And we hope that you will take advantage of that. We want you to be sure to see those areas and again to grab some hand sanitizer as you go by in and out of each of the buildings, and also keep your mask handy. Social distancing is a really good way to reduce the spread of infection. So when you're outside, if you can maintain in our crowded State Fair campus, can maintain some distance from others, especially those that you don't live with or that you don't pal around with all the time, but try to keep some distance between yourself and others. That reduces the spread of the Delta variant. There's one more thing that's really important that I want to talk to you about, and that's if you don't feel well, please don't go to the fair. Please stay home until you feel better. If you feel like you're here in town and you might be coming down with COVID, go to our website. We have a list of testing sites where you can go and get a COVID test so that you can determine whether or not you're actually catching COVID or have COVID. One of the things we know about COVID is that 40% of the spread happens before a person realizes that they have some mild symptoms or maybe they don't have any symptoms at all and are still spreading the virus. So we want you to exercise these cautions, and again, all of these things together provide that layer of protection that will keep you safe and healthy for your state fair experience. We want you to enjoy the state fair. It's a tradition. It's been in our household for years and years. I remember sending items to the state fair and checking to see what color ribbon they had. So we want you to enjoy the state fair. We want everyone to have a good time, and we can if we just take these additional precautions. Thanks for listening. Go to our website, cdhd.ne.gov, for additional information. And again, do not hesitate to call us at 308-385-5175. We'll be happy to talk to you.